Good day to everyone. My name is Angelo A. Sarmiento from BSIE IA3A. So we're going to discuss the chapter 15 titled Service Information. For our learning objective, at the end of chapter 15, the student will be able to first, identify the different manuals and digital source. Second, value the important service information for vehicle maintenance. And lastly, demonstrate the correct use of various service manual and digital source to locate vehicle maintenance information. Vehicle Service History Record. A complete service history is crucial for effective diagnostic. It reveals the previous repair, maintenance, and potential issue. So, pag nagkaroon po ng sira ang isang sasakyan, is ini-scan po ng technician ang record o history record kasi nakatala po sa history record ang lahat ng nangyari, ginawa, or pina-repair sa mismong unit ng sasakyan po. Kaya mas mabilis po nilang makikita yung mga possible na cause nung sira po. It helps to identify the recurring problem or patterns. A service history helps the technician to identify the recurring problem or pattern, enabling them to address the underlying cause rather than just treating the symptoms. Prevent to unnecessary repairs and ensure the accurate diagnosis. So, detailed service history ay tumutulong upang hindi siya maulit yung na-refer na is i-refer mo ulit, tas mag-save siya ng time and money for the owner and para rin sa technician. Owner's Manual, it contains the essential information beyond the basic operation. Hindi lang po tinuturo o ini-explain dito yung kung paano i-drive yung isang sasakyan. It also contains the valuable information about the maintenance schedule, yung fluid capacity, saka yung component location po. Next, provide troubleshooting tips and safety information. Sa owner's manual po is nakalagay po yung step by step kung paano na-troubleshoot ang isang sasakyan. Kaya it makes a crucial resources for both owners and technician. Utilizing the owner's manuals as a valuable source of information is often overlooked, but it is crucial for both owners and technician for our proper vehicle care. Service manual, we have two types of service manual. Yung una is the factory manual, yung pangalawa is aftermarket manual. Pag sinabing factory manual, ito yung pinaka-detailed and may specific na brand or model lang siya. Pag sinabi naman natin aftermarket, broader siya. Different, multiple na models yung sakop niya. Typically, yung aftermarket manual, mas less detailed siya kumpara sa factory manual. Kasi yung etong aftermarket, nagpo-provide siya ng general guidelines. Kaya hindi siya nagbibigay ng deep na wala siyang deep na specialized repair. Lubrication guide. So dito, it's provide precise specification for lubricants. So we have the different types of lubricant, types, quality, and viscosity. So kailangan natin to upang ma-prevent natin yung premature wear and tear. Later on, i-explain natin yung kung ano yun. So ano nga ba yung mga iba't ibang types ng lubricant? We have the engine oil, gear oil, grease, at marami pang iba. Detailed procedure for proper lubrication technique. So dito, binibigay po yung step-by-step procedure kung paano yung proper na paglalagay ng lubrication o paano yung nagaganap yung lubrication technique sa sasakyan. And last, the crucial preventing premature wear and tear. So, yung usually cause nito is deterioration or damage dun sa parts ng sasakyan. Cause nito kasi is lack of proper maintenance or lubrication. Advantage of hard copy versus the electronic service information. So, doon muna tayo sa hard copy. Pag sinabing hard copy is ito yung papel or printed na po. So, yung una pong advantage nito is easy to use, no hardware or expensive computer needed. Second is can be taken to the vehicle for reference. Pwede mo siyang ilapit dun sa mismo sasakyan, sa part na kinukumpuni mo. Pwede mo siya dun dalhin. So, third one po is can view several page easily for reference. So, doon naman tayo sa electronic service information. Sa yung unang-una naman natin dito is the information can be printed out and taken to the vehicle. Pwede naman daw siya i-print din, di lang basta sa device or sa computer. Has a research function for information. Dito po, mas mabilis natin siya mahanap. Hindi na natin siya i-scan pa natin yung buong libro. I-search lang natin siya. Internet or network access allow use at several location in the shop. So, nakita naman natin na parehas na yung hard copy at electronic service information ay madali siyang gamitin. Pero yung hard copy is mas accessible siya. Disadvantage of hard copy versus the electronic service information. Hard copy can be a loss or left in the vehicle. Pwede siya mawala kung saan-saan. And second, cost in high for each manual. Kasi pag nawala siya, bibili ka. Pero yung manual kasi is bibili mo siya, hindi lang siya isang piraso. Marami po siyang set. So, medyo mahal, pricey po siya. Can get dirty or unreadable. Madali po siyang maging masira or madumihan din. Next is the electronic service information. Requires a computer or a printer. So, medyo hectic tayo doon. Kailangan siya ng device. Next naman is the internet or network access can be a challenge. Yun nga, pag wala tayong internet, hindi natin siya magagamit. So, wala din po. Lastly is cost and can be high. Pero pwede siyang mas mahal po talaga. Labor Guide Manual. A list of vehicle service procedure and flat rate time provide an average time estimate for technician. Some includes the parts is the list and the cost. So, dito makikita natin yung iba't ibang ginagawa or procedure kung ginagawa ng isang technician upang kumpunihin ang isang sasakyan. Tapos, nakasaad din dito yung gaano katagal o yung duration ng pagkukumpuni. So, nakalagay din dito yung kung magkano dapat bayaran or estimated na bayad sa isang technician. Electronic service information. Many programs provide electronic service information often available on CDs, DVDs, but increasingly online kasi nga mas madali pag online. Pag madali siya i-search, i-download, and including yung TSB or the TSB stands for Technical Service Bulletins na nakalagay dito yung wiring diagram and researchable main menu po. Hotline service, a subscription-based service to assist the technician with the troubleshooting. If ever si technician ay walang alam or hindi siya ganun kaalam doon sa kinakarap niyang sira ng sasakyan, maaari siyang tumawag sa hotline service para tulungan siya ng company and tuturuan siya ng step-by-step process. Next is that provide access to experienced service technician familiar with the specific vehicle issue. So, if ever makaharap si technician ng isang problem na hindi niya familiar, magbibigay yung hotline service ng isang expert na familiar doon sa problema na yon at familiar doon sa vehicle na inaayos niya. Used to diagnose a complex repair by consulting an expert. So, pag hindi maalam si technician, nag-seek talaga sila ng payo or perspective ng isang expert, hindi lang sila basta-basta ginagawa yung isang machine or isang sasakyan. Specialty Repair Manual. So, yung manual na ito ay specific vehicle component lang yung tinatakal niya tulad ng automatic transmission, differential, and engine. And kasama rin po dito sa tinatopic niya is yung older or antique vehicles. So, yung etong manual na ito ay nagbibigay ng unit repair instruction for a complex system. So, specialty manual over a detailed repair guidelines, a comprehensive guidelines for individual system po. Aftermarket supplies, guides, and catalog. So, we have the free resources providing, so pwede siya makuha sa expanded views and assembled parts, and helpful hints and repair advice kung sa available at trade show and expo such as yan yung tatlo na pwede nyong bisitahin. So, these catalogs help the technician to identify the compatible parts and learn about the alternative repair solution, enhancing their ability to complete efficient repair. For my reference,